Welcome back to SaaS Beast Pro. In this video, 7 hidden Sheets features for Windows, Spreadsheet Magic, we're uncovering powerful Google Sheets tweaks that make your workflow faster and smoother. Now let's get started. Number 1, enable keyboard shortcuts. This setting helps Excel users feel at home in Google Sheets by restoring familiar shortcut behavior. It boosts speed and reduces friction when switching platforms. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1, open any Google Sheet so you can access shortcut settings. Step 2, press Ctrl+ on Windows to open the keyboard shortcuts help menu instantly. Step 3, at the bottom of the pop-up, toggle Enable compatible spreadsheet shortcuts to match Excel-style shortcuts. Number 2, create data validation dropdowns. Dropdowns help standardize data, reduce errors, and speed up entry in Google Sheets. They're perfect for task statuses, categories, and structured workflows. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1, select the cell or range where you want the dropdown to appear. Step 2, click Insert, scroll down, and choose Dropdown to add it to your sheet. Step 3, customize the options by renaming items like Completed or In Progress to match your needs. Step 4, choose color for your dropdown. Step 5, add or delete items using the Add option or trash icon as needed. Step 6, enable multiple selection if required, then click Done to finish and start using the dropdown. Number 3, rename sheets using double-click. Renaming sheets quickly keeps your spreadsheet organized and easier to navigate. This hidden shortcut saves time and helps you manage multiple sheets efficiently, which fits perfectly with Spreadsheet Magic productivity tips. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1, locate the Sheet tabs at the bottom of your spreadsheet window where names like Sheet 1 or Sheet 2 appear. This is where all worksheet navigation happens. Step 2, double-click directly on the sheet name you want to change. The name will instantly switch into edit mode. Step 3, type your new sheet name while the text is highlighted. Choose a clear, descriptive name for easy identification. Step 4, press Enter or click anywhere in the spreadsheet grid to save. Your new sheet name is applied immediately. Number 4, color code sheets for organization. Color coding sheets helps you instantly recognize categories and priorities at a glance. This hidden organization trick reduces confusion and makes large spreadsheets faster to navigate, boosting overall productivity. Let's do it. Step 1, right-click on the Sheet tab you want to organize at the bottom of the spreadsheet. This opens the context menu with sheet-specific options. Step 2, hover over Change Color in the menu. A color palette will appear for customization. Step 3, click a color from the palette. A thick colored line appears under the tab, confirming the change. Step 4, to color multiple sheets, hold Ctrl, Windows, and click each sheet tab you want to group. Use Shift to quickly select a continuous range of tabs. Step 5, right-click on any highlighted tab and choose Change Color, then select a shade. All selected sheets update instantly with the same color. Number 5, duplicate sheets instantly. Duplicating sheets instantly saves time when reusing layouts, formulas, or reports. This hidden feature helps you scale your workflow quickly, making spreadsheet management faster and more efficient. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1, look at the sheet tabs at the bottom of your spreadsheet. This is where all duplication actions start. Step 2, right-click on the sheet name you want to copy. A context menu with sheet options will appear. Step 3, select Duplicate from the menu. A new tab appears labeled Copy of Original Name. Step 4, to duplicate multiple sheets, hold Ctrl, Windows, and click each sheet you want to copy. This groups the selected sheets together. Step 5, right-click any highlighted tab and choose Duplicate. Google Sheets instantly creates copies of all selected sheets. Number 6, move sheets between workbooks. Why this segment matters. This feature helps you reuse work efficiently by transferring sheets between files. It keeps data organized, saves time, and supports better spreadsheet management across projects. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Right-click the tab of the sheet you want to move at the bottom of the spreadsheet. This opens the context menu with sheet options. Step 2. Select Copy from the menu. This tells the spreadsheet that you want to duplicate the sheet elsewhere. Step 3. Choose a new spreadsheet or an existing spreadsheet. Picking an existing one will open a file picker so you can select the destination file. Step 4. Confirm the copy and check the destination workbook. If you want to truly move the sheet, manually delete the original after the copy is complete. Number 7. Freeze rows and columns. Freezing rows and columns keeps key headers visible while scrolling through large sheets. It improves readability and efficiency, perfectly supporting the video's goal of mastering hidden spreadsheet features. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Go to the View menu at the top of the spreadsheet. This is where display and layout options are controlled. Step 2. Select Freeze from the menu. This opens the available freezing options. Step 3. Choose a preset like 1 row or 2 rows, or select a cell and click up to the current row. This locks rows or columns in place while you scroll. Outro, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more spreadsheet magic.